Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let us keep exploring different software development methodologies. In our last video, we delved into the waterfall model, understanding its linear and sequential approach to the software development. Today, we are shifting our focus to the iterative model, a methodology that emphasizes flexibility and incremental progress. This model allows for continuous improvements and refinements through repeated cycles, making it ideal for projects where requirements may evolve over time. In this video, we will discuss the key characteristics of the iterative model, its benefit and its challenges. We will also provide example to illustrate how this model is applied in real-world scenarios. So let's get started and uncover the details of iterative model. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Let's dive in. The iterative SDLC model is a popular software development approach emphasizing continuous improvement and flexibility. It involves breaking down development into smaller iterations, with each iteration delivering a functional product increment. Let us understand the overview of the iterative SDLC approach. The iterative SDLC model is a cyclical process that allows for continuous refinement and adaptation. It involves planning, designing, building, and testing in smaller cycles. Each iteration builds on the previous one, gradually incorporating feedback and addressing evolving requirements. Number 1. Iterative development. The iterative SDLC model breaks down a large project into smaller, manageable iterations, each delivering a working product increment. 2. Continuous feedback. The iterative model emphasizes regular feedback loops, allowing developers to incorporate user input and address issues promptly. Third, adaptive approach. It fosters an adaptive and flexible approach to development, enabling adjustments to be made throughout the process. 4. Early user engagement. Involving users in early iterations allows for quicker identification and resolution of potential issues. Key phases of the iterative SDLC model. The iterative SDLC model involves distinct phases that are repeated in each iteration. Each iteration builds upon the previous one, ensuring continuous improvement and early delivery of value. 1. Requirement gathering. In this phase, the team gathers and refines the requirements for the current iteration. This includes understanding user needs, defining features, and prioritizing the tasks. 2. Design. The design phase involves creating a detailed blueprint for the iteration, outlining the architecture, UI, UX, and functional specifications. These include creating wireframes, mockups, and documentations. 3. Implementation. During implementation, developers write the code and build the software according to the design specifications. This phase includes coding, testing, and integration of modules. 4. Testing. Testing phase involves thoroughly validating the developed software to ensure it meets the requirements and functions correctly. This includes unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing. Advantages of the iterative SDLC model. The iterative SDLC model offers several advantages over traditional waterfall models, making it a popular choice for software development projects. What are those? Reduce risk, faster delivery, improved quality. Let's understand one by one. Reduced risk. The iterative model minimizes risk by breaking down development into smaller iterations, allowing for early identification and mitigation of potential problems. Faster delivery. The iterative model enables quicker delivery of working software, providing early value to users and allowing for rapid feedback loops. Improved quality. The continuous feedback and testing cycles in the iterative model lead to improved quality as defects can be identified and addressed early in the development process. Disadvantages of the iterative SDLC model. Despite its benefits, the iterative SDLC model also comes with certain disadvantages that should be considered when choosing this approach. Let us see one by one. Complexity. Managing multiple iterations can be complex, requiring careful planning and coordination. Resource management. The iterative model can be resource intensive, requiring skilled developers and dedicated teams for each iteration. Communication challenges. Effective communication is crucial in the iterative model as frequent updates and feedback loops require clear and consistent communication among team members and stakeholders. Let us see the scenarios best suited for iterative SDLC. The iterative SDLC model is particularly well suited for certain types of projects that benefit from its flexibility and adaptability. Evolving requirements. The iterative SDLC is ideal for projects with complex or rapidly changing requirements as it allows for adjustments and adaptation throughout the development process. High risk. For projects with high uncertainty or potential risk, the iterative model provides a mechanism to mitigate risk early on and adapt to changing circumstances. User feedback. Projects that heavily rely on user feedback and iterative improvement benefit greatly from the iterative SDLC as it enables continuous user engagement and refinement. How to implement the iterative SDLC model? Successful implementation of the iterative SDLC model requires careful planning, effective communication, and a strong team of developers and stakeholders. 1. Define iterations. Break down the project into manageable iterations, each delivering a function increment of the software. 2. Plan iterations. For each iteration, define the scope, goals, and deliverables, including user stories, technical tasks, and testing plans. 3. Execute iterations. Develop and test the software within each iteration, ensuring that each increment is fully functional and meets the defined requirements. 4. Gather feedback. Regularly gather feedback from stakeholders and users, incorporating their input into subsequent iterations. 5. Repeat. Continue the cycle of planning, execution, and feedback until the final product is complete. We are almost done with the session today and we are in the last slide. Conclusion and key takeaways from today's session. The iterative SDLC model is a powerful approach for software development offering numerous advantages in terms of flexibility, risk management, and quality. However, successful implementation requires careful planning, effective communication, and a dedicated team. So guys, hope you have enjoyed today's sessions and we will be coming up with other different SDLC models soon. Please subscribe our channel and share our content with your friends and families. Do not forget to click on the bell icon to get updated with our latest content. As I mentioned, we will be coming soon with the next topic on this SDLC model. Till then, goodbye, stay tuned and take care.